Hey, all these upcoming artists. Yes, they say her name na Quincy Benna. She don't come outside, they cry. Don't disturb my ear finish. They say they rape am o, say the guy invite am make dem comot on a date, say dinner or lunch. Na him she come agree say okay, dinner go good. My people, after dinner, the guy even get another type of dinner on top. Yeah. Now the girl don come dey disturb our ear for internet, she no dey allow us rest. He say she want justice, say this matter must not end like this. So my people, abeg, I no know whether una know am by the name, but I bring her video so that for una wey no know her with that name, maybe her face una go know am. I want make una hear her with una own ear. Make we watch the video.
I've been trying to be strong. I've been trying to think that everything is going to be alright. But guys, like I feel suicidal right now. Literally like on the 9th floor of a freaking hotel room. And I feel like jumping down the drain. I need justice. I freaking need justice, guys.
When I hear this matter, for my mind I just dey talk say, wait, this thing, something they miss for inside this case. No, when I hear this gist, I say something they miss. See, you know they add up, just like that. Now I come start dey do my own investigation. You understand? Because this guy obviously he no go rape you for restaurant. Now be say after you chop, una carry una 2 leg, you sef you waka with am enter room, una go do another thing. Nah, you don't come turn and say because the way she screenshot their chat, you understand? When she come outside the chat say she want justice, she screenshot their chat. Oh, now she come post only the one wey go favor am, wey people go dey talk say she be good person, or say everybody just dey insult the guy. Now I say make una relax. This thing no fit just be like this. We need hear the 2 sides of the story. You understand? Now I say okay, oh, I go reach bottom of this matter for una sake, because now for una I dey do all this thing. You understand? And now my people, hey, I don't find out. Relax. Una no go believe. These 2 people, according to the guy, because I don't hear the guy side too. The guy say they meet. You understand? They don't meet, no be today. Oh, say they know each other. So they get one party wey happen for Abuja. Now so the guy come say, babe, come over now. Make we, you understand, make we hang out. Now so the girl to agree where she go. And as the party they shelle, gone. Now so the guy come tell her say, me I go like sleep with you. He tell her hold her. Ice block no dey im mouth. Now so the girl come say, okay, oh, if you go want sleep with me, then be say no go be for free. Well, I don't wear panto. She say you no go be for free. Say they must, you understand? After they do the belembe, the man must give her money. Relax. He can't tell her say okay, how much you go collect. The girl first talk say $1,000. Your pussy na good. Now so the guy say, me I no go fit pay you this kind of money. Oh, say I beg you go reduce am. See as they bargain. All this one she not tell us. So have you not watched the video? She just they do like saying that the boy they at fault. And they give una gist. Now so she come dey bargain. Now so the guy come say okay, finally last now 200,000 naira I fit give you. Now the girl say okay. They can't agree say after they do one night, because the guy want me she stay an extra day. So the guy come tell her say okay, when we finish today I will give you 100. Then tomorrow I will send you the other 100. They agree. Now this girl now after they finish, where this boy no gree pay am, come outside say they rape am. My people, see, you know go better for some people for this life. Oh. No, because see, it make it no be like say na me just dey talk because I want talk. Make una hear the guy own version of the story. You understand? Where they interview and concerning this matter, watch am first.
The said girl, I've known her since this year. I met her this year actually. So we exchanged numbers. We've been friends on social media, Snapchat and co. So she's been So there was one time there was a party in Abuja. She said I invited her to come for the party. She said I should pay for her flights and book a hotel for her, and I'm supposed to give her money too. So I waved that one off. I didn't talk to her after then. So recently she told me she was coming to Abuja first, that she had something that she wants to move to Abuja. She wants to rent a place.
Yeah.
So when she came, she was in one other hotel like that. I don't know the hotel. So I told her, since she's in Abuja now, let's link up. Let's have lunch or dinner.
Yeah.
She now said, okay, dinner is fine. So the following day, she moved into Hilton. So she said, so I texted her, I said, what time would be convenient for you for dinner? She said 8 is fine. So she moved. I went to the Hilton to meet her for the breakfast. So we went to the executive floor on the 10th floor.
The Hilton was when?
Hilton. She moved to Hilton again day before yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So we went to the executive floor for dinner.
Okay.
So yeah. So after dinner, we went down to the casino together. I was playing casino. She said she's interested too. I put money for her. I told her to play. So on the process, her manager called her or something. So she left. So before then, I was telling her that.
Oh, her manager. What does she do?
She's a singer.
Okay.
Yeah. So she said she wanted us to. So I told her that I wanted to have sex with her. She now said I'm not going to do that for free. And I asked, okay, so what's involved in the thing? She told me I should pay $1,000. I told her I cannot pay $1,000.
Oh, she asked you to pay $1,000.
Yes.
Okay.
So I said what I can pay is $200. I cannot pay $1,000. So she said no, that she's not taking it, that it's poor. I said no problems. So I went to the club. So I was in the club with my friends. She messaged me and was like, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm at the club." She now said, if she doesn't see me in her room in the next 5 minutes, that she's going to change her mind.
From the $200 back to the $1,000.
No, I didn't agree on the $1,000. So it's the $200, not $200 or $200,000 though.
Okay, so she initially said $200. She initially said $1,000.
Yes.
And then you offer that $200,000, which is like $500 or maybe about $400.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But she refused. So I left her. She left. She went back upstairs. So later she texted me and was like, I should get to the hotel in the next 5 minutes unless you change her mind. I was with my friends then. So I showed my friends. I was like, see that girl, because my friends knew. We had dinner with my friends at the executive floor. Yeah. So my friends knew already what was going on. So I told them, the girl said I should come for the $200 though. So I rushed. I had to rush back to the hotel. So when I got there, she was drinking and smoking. She was drinking rubies and smoking already, smoking kush. So, we got down. We started having sex. So after the sex, I told her that I didn't want her to go. That I wanted her to stay one more night. She now said that unless I have to book her room. I said that's not a problem. So I have points now. So I had to book the room in front of her with my points. And I put her as the additional guest of the hotel. Okay. But I had to use my name because I'm a diamond member at the Hilton.
Okay.
So I showed her the booking. I told her this is it and this is your name.
Mm-hmm.
Because I asked her name, she told me, so I told her this is the booking. So tomorrow you could just go and check into the room. That they'll have to check you out because she was in the standard room. So I told her that what will happen is because of my name, they will upgrade her to something better, maybe a royal room or something.
Yeah.
So we now.
Now, wow, my people. No, una see how some women they behave. If na man now, una go quick they curse am. See am. Now she open mouth agree. I don't know whether una fit they see the screenshot of the chat. I bet me they put them. Maybe if una fit read and they read them, everything they clear. Now this girl, when you agree with them, you no can't tell us so. Say okay, now this thing they go on. Now they don't dupe you, they don't dupe you. You don't come outside now, come they cry. This girl no allow my phone rest. Oh, Madam Aproko, we must expose this guy. Oh, I want justice. I say relax. She even lied to me. Now I say lie, I must expose this case. Hey, last, you don't expose yourself, my sister. You don't expose yourself. My people, I believe say same penalty where they give boys where they rape. Now what they supposed give this girl for lying on top of somebody because una agree. You go sleep with man for money. The thing don't go wrong now. You don't come the test. Who send you? No. Who send you? Now me carry you. You see me for there. I be na me tie your leg. Say, ha. Una dey lie anyhow. Dinner they hungry you. Now you know just enter your kitchen do indomie. You just say they follow man. Hungry people. My people, all these female artists, fear them. Oh. Fear them. They go they intimidate us when we know they sing so that we go they envy them. Now lie, all of them are scam. See, women, make I tell you something. Man go treat you the way you present yourself. If you present yourself as cheap, they go treat you as waiting cheap. Make una carry that one for una head. And according to the matter, they say the guy na doctor. You know, say girls, we know they use our ear better thing. This one don't hear say doctor they live for Abuja, you don't go open leg. Not be everybody where they stay for Abuja get money. Oh. I pity una. I just they pity all of una. So they go finish the count una underwear finish. Una no go know. Ha! You run here, you sabi lie. If you see her for the video the way she they cry, you go pity am. Now the first time I watched this video, it touched my heart. But something just enter me say, madam, think twice. My people, no judge book by cover. See, if na one skirt and one top where you get, wash am, clean, iron and they wear am. No allow anybody intimidate you for internet. No allow am because of one thing now you so I even see some people who break up with their boyfriend, boy where they try on a normal day. You know too rich, oh boy, they try. You don't see your friend where they follow sugar daddy, you go break up with your boyfriend. At the end, you go jam rock. Una supposed open your eyes. See, this world of today is different. Girls, fear girls, oh.